to this lecture. In this lecture, we learn how C++ are platform dependent. So, if you want, if you write a code or if you, develop a source code or develop an application in one system, and if you want to execute that application in another system, in another OS, that can't be executed. So how it's happen and what is the reason behind this. So in this lecture we will discuss. Okay, so basically you have three friends. For example, you have three friends. One have Windows, another is Linux, another have Solaris OS. Okay, so you develop one program ABC in C language, abc.c. Okay, the source code is C and compiled into a abc.object, and again linker comes and link the binary files and that produce the executable code abc.execute, and that the OS executes and send the outputs. But now, can we execute abc.execute in Linux? No. Why? Because C are dependent, platform dependent. Again same thing in Linux. One of your friend have Linux OS. Again the same write one application, compiler convert it into object code linker link it and produce the abc.bin. Linux extension is .bin, and again Linux OS execute it and produce the output. Can and again Linux executable code is run on Solaris? No, because C are platform dependent, C code are platform dependent. So how? Again Solaris for same thing. So why? So just see the things. You write the code in C, abc.c, compiler compiles it and gives the compiled code abc.object. But think, abc.object is what? Machine language for Windows. Okay, now if you want to give the machine language to Linux, can Linux understand the machine language? No. Why? Because every OS have this different machine language. Okay, every OS have different machine language. They are different format. They understand the same thing for their machine language in different format. For example, I am from Bihar, and in English guava means what? Amrut. But in my native place we can say for Amrut there is a latam. Okay, so same thing, different name. So same thing for OS itself. For if you want to write a program for two number, so sum of two numbers. So Windows, their 0 and 1 will be different. For Linux, their 0 1 will be different. Their Solaris, their 0 1 will be different. So basically machine code will be different for each OS, because every vendor, Windows is developed by Microsoft, Linux is developed by Linux vendor, Solaris is developed by Java vendor. So every vendor develop it, and every vendors have a different logics to implement and different logics to write their codes. Okay, so this is the reason behind that, because machine language are different. That's why C are dependent. Okay, thank you. If you have any comment, if you have any suggestion, just comment it and let me know. I will improve the things. Thank you.